to me, Mohan. Please stop for Gungun's sake.
What should I do then? Should I just watch my daughter suffer?
Just now everyone has heard her voice. That means Gungun is alive. What if she tells everyone the truth about Hriday after she's out?
Control her, otherwise I will finish her totally. Please tell me what happened?
We have found Gungun. You can take her out now. Please hurry up.
Yes, can you please hurry up?
She's stuck deep down.
No matter what happens, come, let's go inside. We are out since long. They will doubt us.
And Gungun, you have a very big heart. Just like your mother.
Yes, Gungun dear. Your mom was perfect. She used to take care of everyone.
You know what? Everyone thinks I am very brave. But let me tell you a secret. I am not the one who was brave. But your mom was.
She has regained consciousness.
Good job, good job.
But she looks pretty weak. She hasn't eaten anything for a while. So we'll have to quickly feed her something. So that she doesn't lose energy.
But doctor, her hands are stuck inside. How will we feed her?
Mohan, don't worry about that. Leave that to me. Just keep talking to Gungun and don't let her sleep, okay? Take this, Mohan. I'll just be back.
The girl is starving. Now somehow they will try to feed her something by that tunnel. But if she doesn't eat anything, then anything can be happen.
It is difficult for a JCB to get into a narrow street. So as you can see, the rescue workers are digging another hole with their hands.
so that they can make a tunnel between the bowel and the hole.
She is making so many efforts. It seems she will save Gungun. Do something, Damini. Do.
My dear, you know, your mother loved Golgappas. She loved them so much that she could eat 20, 30 or even 50 at once. She ate that so much that she even started to look like a Golgappa.
What do I feed Gungun? Something which may boost her energy. What do I feed her? Jaggery? Jaggery and peanuts.
If Gungun comes out, I will be sent behind bars. It would be so better if I run away now with Radha. Besides, I cannot wait anymore. Radha, my darling, get ready to celebrate. I will arrange for a palanquin for you. Oh my lord! What was that?
I felt it would fall on me.
You are taking care of Gungun like I would, Radha. I won't let anything happen to you.
Digging is going on in full swing. The girl's father has been trying to keep her awake. But will the Trivedi family and Gungun be able to win this fight against death?
Radha, it is good that you brought something to eat. But how will Gungun eat this? How will we feed her?
Mohan, please talk to Gungun.
Gungun! Gungun, we are sending something to eat. You just have to bite it, okay?
Gungun, I'm sending something for you. Just have it. You will love it, okay?
Looks tasty.
Yes, my child, have it. Have it. I want to come out. Get me out of here.
Yeah, we will get you out of there, Gungun. Just a while longer.
Yes, Gungun, we will get you out of there soon. Please eat what I'm sending you. You love eating jaggery, right? I have packed a lot of jaggery. I am hungry, but how will I eat? My hands are stuck.
Gungun, you just have to bite it. Just take a bite. As soon as it reaches you, just take a bite. It's easy, okay?
I cannot do it. Gungun, just give it a try. You can do it. Give it a try, dear.
You just have to take a bite. You don't need to use your hands, Gungun.
Are you seeing that? The same child who is used to being fed by hands is being fed through a wire today. A 60 feet long wire. The child has fallen that deep. Will the child be able to eat?
Gungun, please try to eat it once. Please.
Thank you, Lord Krishna.
Very good girl, Gungun. Very good. Keep eating, all right? Take your own time.
I must applaud you too. Parents get scared when they see their child in danger, but you both handled the situation very well. And yes, an intelligent mother like you and a brave father like you both are perfect parents.
No, actually, I'm not.
Gungun is my daughter. Mohan and I, we are her parents.
I'm sorry. The way ma'am was running around and trying to save the kid, I assumed that she was her mother. I'm sorry.
happening?
Mohan!
Hey, Lord Krishna, please don't let it rain, my child.
It's raining, it will be a problem. You, get a shed ready soon.
Okay, sir. What?
Adam, pull out the diggers. Get them out quick.
If it starts raining, we won't be able to get Gungun out.
Sir. Look, if we keep digging, the mud will come loose due to the rain. And the mud will start falling down. Our rescue team might get stuck, okay? And if the mud moves in, the water might seep in too. This will put Gungun in danger.
No! This cannot happen.
It's very dangerous right now. And guys, move the setup inside.
Yeah, but you cannot stop the operation.
We are not stopping operation. We'll do it. But we need to check the situation. And see, this is what happens. Because of rain, landslides happen at any time. Why hasn't the shed arrived yet? Close the hole properly. The water shouldn't go in.
How will we take Gungun out? Why are you closing this? What happened?
Sir, we need to close this hole as well, right?
Ma'am, we can't do that. Oxygen levels will get low. Gungun will have trouble breathing. Doctor, get the oxygen cylinder.
Rain? It won't rain. It can't rain like this. My daughter is inside.
Mohan! Gungun!
Gungun, please do something, Mohan.
Gungun, nothing will happen to you. We will take you out.
No. Why is it raining now? It shouldn't rain. No. Gungun!
Radha! The water is coming inside! I'm too scared! Oh, Lord Krishna! Why are we in so much trouble?
Can you do something?
Sir, it's raining heavily. They haven't brought a shed yet. I think we need to make another shed. Do as I say, make another shed quickly.
Do something! Mohan, listen!
My child is scared. Please do something.
Ma'am, we are doing. The rain has ruined everything. If a landslide occurs, the kid can get buried under.
Radha! Mohan, please do something!
Mohan, please do something, dear.
Hold it, Radha.
Where is he going?
Please, Lord Krishna, please stop the rain. The rain should stop.
Mother, please go there, please.
Ma'am, Gungun, she can get buried. Why don't you understand?
Why aren't you doing something? Why are you standing still?
Mohan, please do something. Please save Gungun, Mohan.
Hey, Mohan.
Take me out! I'm really scared! Gungun, it's just raining a little. It will stop soon. Don't worry at all, okay?
I know what he is doing.
Mohan, be careful.
What happened, Mom?
Damini, what big trouble have you created for us? If that Gungun is saved, then we will die.
I know that too, Mom. You don't have to tell me at all.
I have to remind you, my dear. I have to. What should I do? Right now, in my mind, worries are creating a havoc. I do not understand that. How should I make you understand? If I try to solve one small problem, then some of the other big problem has to come and stand right in front of us. Why does all this happen to us only? If Mohan saves Gungun, then Gungun will tell everything about Hriday to Mohan. And that Hriday will tell the truth about us to Mohan. Just as the way Lord Mohan used the Sudarshan Chakra to slit the neck of the monsters, similarly, this Mohan will slit our necks.
Stop it, Mom. Please be quiet. Why are you repeating the same thing? I can't think properly.
That's a good thing, dear. That's a very good thing. Anyways, you don't have to think about anything. Whenever you think, you create some or the other trouble for us. That Hriday was a part of your plan, right?
What else would I have done? Guruma had clearly said that Radha and Mohan's destinies are aligned. And there is only one way to separate their destinies. Her stars have to be aligned with someone else. I have to get her married to someone else.
Okay, then you could have found anyone, dear. I am telling you, you could have picked up some random person on the road. You could have chosen a snake charmer, a milkman, or vegetable vendor. I am telling you, even the Damru who fled, he would have been the right partner for Radha. For her, there was no reason for you to find a perfect partner. Is she any princess?
I had to, Mom. I had to find someone special for her. Someone who would dance to our tunes.
And you think so? That Hriday will dance on our tunes? You fool! He is making us dance on his tunes.
Mom, I didn't know that petty thief was a real criminal.
Exactly! You are right, my dear. He will steal, he will commit a sin, but punishment we will have to bear. Oh heaven! What will happen to this widow?
Mom, why are you so worried? Take a look outside. It is raining heavily. I don't think it will stop raining. And I checked the weather forecast as well. It won't stop raining anytime soon. And how long will Mohan carry the door on his head, Mom? No one can enter the tunnel. And Gungun cannot come out of it either. Do you understand what this means?
What?
Gungun won't survive.
Today my son Mohan took the form of the Almighty to save his daughter's life.
Mohan took the form of Lord Krishna to save our daughter Gungun from rain.
Damini? Damini? Damini, I am thinking that you should not marry Mohan at all.
What nonsense are you talking about?
I'm not talking nonsense. I am telling you the truth. My dear girl, get married to a person whom you really know well. Okay? But from your talks, I don't think that you even know 0% of Mohan. If you were knowing him, then you would at least know that he can do anything for his Gungun. In order to save that Gungun, he can stand like that not for few hours or few days, but till the end of times, he can stand holding that door. Okay? But he won't allow anything to happen to her. Anyways, he has already lost that Tulsi. So he will not allow history to repeat itself. Come what may, he will not lose his daughter. He will do whatever it takes to save his daughter. And anyways, for every girl, their father is a hero. But this, your Mohan, for his daughter, has become superhero. Don't forget, this Mohan is not alone now. Who is by his side? That two-fitted, your Radha. Did you see those policemen, the way they were saying Radha and Mohan are their mummy and papa? And all these TV reporters on their channels, they were only showing Radha and Mohan. Why won't they show that, tell me? Because the two-fitted Radha, since that Gungun has fallen in the ditch, is standing near that entrance only. More than the rains, I am afraid Radha's tears might cause a flood. When Mohan falls weak, Radha goes and gives him hope. And when Radha cries, then your Mohan goes and wipes her tears. Listen to me, Damini. Between both of them, hearts are strongly connected. If one is a light and the other one is a shadow, one is Radha and the other one is Mohan. Out of experience, I'm telling you, dear, whether Gungun survives or not. But after this incident, Radha and Mohan will surely become one.
Radha and Mohan's destinies are connected to each other.
Enough, Mom! That's not possible. I will never let that happen. Never.
How did Mohan become Superman all of a sudden? How did he become so strong? He won't let that brat die in peace.
Dear, I am worried once all these people rescue this brat, then Mohan will not spare you. The way he carried that door on his head, same way he will carry you and toss you aside.
Mom, where are you taking me?
Hriday,
Yes.
if Gungun comes out of the ditch, we will land in the prison. Before she reveals the truth, let's run away from here.
Chill, Mom. She's in a ditch. No one can really come out of that. Plus, it's raining so heavily. You just don't worry. She won't survive. Okay, listen, let me tell you one secret. There is a ghost in her.
Ghost!
Soft.
Ghost? There is a ghost.
Did I say anything funny?
Yes, there is a ghost in the house, I know. And that ghost is you. Was that a joke, right? Are you kidding
Mom,
with your mom?
I am not kidding. I'm telling the truth. There is really a spirit.
Huh?
Gungun's mother spirit, Tulsi's spirit. Microphone and cameras, whatever Damini told us, those are all fake. There is nothing real. The truth is, there is a spirit in the house.
But how do you know?
I know it because I heard Kadambari was speaking to the spirit.
Tulsi, if you know that where Gungun is, then please tell us.
Even if you don't know where Gungun is dropped this vase, I will understand.
Now what is this? Who is she talking to? Now this family show has become a total horror show. Isn't it what I am thinking of? And then in the kitchen.
Hriday, the child you threw in that ditch, her mother's spirit is haunting that house. How can we stay in that house? Let's go from here. Come on, let's go. Aren't you afraid? Are you crazy? Look, you can scare human beings with knives and guns. But how will you fight a spirit? And who knows? What if that spirit is listening to our conversation? I'm scared. Let's leave this place.
You don't have to go anywhere. Did you notice one thing?
What?
Whenever Kaveri and Damini want to speak to us, they take us out of the house. Why?
Why?
Because there must be some reason, right? Because that ghost can't go out. That's why we haven't got caught yet.
The mother and daughter turned out to be such a scoundrels. They kept this thing from us.
If they are scoundrels, then I'm bigger scoundrel. They lied to me actually. I will make them pay for it. I am taking Radha with me. Now Damini will have to pay double.
Yes.
And no one can destroy us. In fact, that spirit will be a great use for us.
You too? You didn't even spare the spirit?
Come on, Mom. Come on. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Radha, the water has stopped seeping in.
Gungun, your dad has stopped the water from seeping in, dear. Didn't I tell you that your dad loves you so much? He will not let anything happen to you. My grandma is right. A father always protects his children.
Come, dear, look.
No, Mom. You were absolutely right. No one can separate Radha and Mohan now. They can't be separated.
Have you lost your mind? What nonsense are you talking? If someone hears you out, then they will come to know that you are the one who has created all this.
Mom, but you were right. Didn't you see the way Radha and Mohan came together to save Gungun? If they find out that I was behind all this, Mohan will leave me and marry Radha for sure. What should I do? I don't know what to do.
Look, dear, listen. You at first, please calm down, dear.
How can
Please
I calm down, Mom? I got Mohan back after so much difficulty. I waited for him for so many years, hoping that he would marry me now. And now, after coming so far, I cannot back down. I have to do something. I have to think of something, but I don't know what to do. What should I do? Mom, I have an idea. Before Gungun gets rescued, let's tell Mohan and his family whole truth. We will tell them that Hriday did all this. Yes, let's do that.
Yeah, we will definitely do it. And what do you think? That Hriday will keep quiet in front of Mohan? My dear, he will speak up that you are the one who brought him here. And the state in which Gungun is only and only because of you. And did you forget what Mohan had told us? That whoever is responsible for Gungun's this condition, he won't spare that person's life. That means he will kill both of us. And we also, just like the Tulsi, will be haunting in the Trivedi Bhavan. Look, Damini, listen to me carefully and try to understand also. Half of my life and half of my energy has been spent in matching your and Mohan's horoscopes, okay? Come what may. You have to marry Mohan only.
When did I refuse to marry Mohan, Mom? But how will that happen now? Hriday ruined everything.
Hey, no. Nothing has been ruined, dear. Look, you brought that fellow Hriday here, right? So, let us do something in a way that we can get rid of him and nobody suspects us. You are the one who brought him here. That means you are the snake charmer. And Hriday is the snake. Hriday is not any petty thief. He is a dangerous criminal. So, we should also do something in such a way that before he bites us, we can get rid of him forever. We should get him in such a big trouble that his name gets into it. Then let Mohan deal alone with that Hriday. He can hit him, beat him, or else he can just throw him into the river. We can get rid of him. Are you understanding what I said?
Wow, Aunt, wow. I mean, you have started talking like a villain. You called me snake and all this. We are working hard to get rid of the horns that are in her way so that your daughter's life changes for the better, actually. But she's trying to destroy us only.
But why are you working so hard? You won't be able to betray people like us. The games that you both are playing with us, we both are masters of this game. Show them, dear.
Take a look. There are those all messages that you sent me. Before you could delete them, I already took a screenshot of all of those. All those transactions, those money you gave me earlier. What if I show all of those to Mohan? Let's see who gets drowned, killed, and that, what you just said? You will be thrown away in the river. Right?
Hey dear, we were just kidding. We are in this together, right? That, what do they say in English? One team. We are a team. So we all have to work together.
I know what kind of person you are.
What kind?
If your own daughter weren't useful to you, I'm sure you would have deserted her. We mean nothing to you. But mark my words, if we get caught, we will surely drag you along. Get lost now. The whole family is outside and you are wasting your time here. Get out. Come on. It's done.
Come, dear.
I will show them who is the snake and who is the charmer.
What happened, Gungun? The water is seeping in again. Where?
The child's life is in danger because of the rain. The water is going into the ditch drop by drop.
If the rain doesn't stop, then it will be impossible to save the child. Amidst all this, we can only expect a miracle can save the day.
Radha! I am going down! Gungun! Help me, Radha! Help me!
Perfect. Perfect. Now go down and get buried in the soil. If you remain alive, your dad will kill me.
Radha, what are you doing?
Mom, what is Radha doing?
Dear, she's trying to stop the water flow. That is the way it is done in the fields. They make small humps of mud like this in the fields so that the water doesn't enter the farms.
Radha!
Radha's hand is cut, Mom.
Only Radha can go to this extent to save Gungun. Come on, let's go and help her.
Come on, dear, come.
Radha! The water is falling on me! There is mud too! I am going down!
We need to stop the mud from going inside.
Radha! Take me out of here! I am going down!
All of you, please back off. The land is sliding. Go back.
No matter how much Radha worships Lord Krishna, it seems he's on our side today.
The land is sliding. Why are you standing idle? Do something. We are not going to spare you if anything happens to the child. My name is Rahul Trivedi. I'll get all of you suspended. Now go and work fast, fast.
Help me, Radha, help me!
Gungun, don't worry, dear. We are right here.
Take me out of here!
Mohan, careful, Mohan.
Oh my lord! Why is it getting so terrible? If you want, take this widow's life, my lord! But please spare our child!
Nothing will happen to Gungun. Have faith in the Lord.
Okay.
Gungun is my daughter. Please save her. She shouldn't get hurt.
Take me out of here, Radha!
Gungun, your dad is trying, okay? You just don't worry.
Gungun, I won't let anything happen to you. Just be strong. Nothing will happen to you.
Don't worry, Gungun. The water won't enter the hole now. Don't be scared.
How did this family unite all of a sudden like this?
Radha, what nonsense is this? How can you be so superstitious at the time of crisis, Radha?
This is her faith, Damini.
Tulsi, we didn't leave any stone unturned. We tried everything. But we are still not able to save Gungun.